Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports report. The Kingston and the St. Andrew Football Association is insisting that it is standing by its decision not to participate in the JFF Tier 2 competition. There has been tension within the association ever since the members voted last year not to take part in the second division of local club football. And those tensions were heightened when Medforest FC decided to defy KSAFA's decision and take part in the Tier 2 league this season and subsequently had their membership revoked by KSAFA. But KSAFA President Mark Bennett says the members' decision is clear.
Some years ago, KSAFA would have made a decision not to participate in the JFF Tier 2 competition. And since then, we have been abiding by that. And I said we as a council, we have affirmed the decision of the affiliates which was taken at a Congress.
Bennett, who was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Wednesday, revealed that the decision was recently revisited after the JFF's decision to reintroduce relegation for the JPL season this season, and the clubs reiterated their position.
The battle that went on with the recent demotion matter that took place, that is important for us to have that discussion. We encourage the clubs to look at the pros and cons, and take everything into consideration and make a decision.
Some cricket news now, as newly elected Cricket West Indies President Dr. Kishore Shallow is promising that Jamaica will be prioritized during his tenure as head of regional cricket's governing body. While Sabina Park has seen tours of Ireland, Pakistan and New Zealand since the COVID-19 pandemic, the venue has not hosted England, known for a large contingent of traveling fans, in a bilateral ODI series since 1994. But Shallow says that needs to change.
We can't have the country with the biggest cricket population in the region not heavily involved or integrally involved in West Indies cricket in terms of hosting matches and so on, because we want all the youngsters in Trelawny and all over Jamaica to see cricket. Okay, that is how they're going to want to aspire to be next Robman Powell or the next Chris Gayle or Marlon Samuel and so on. So it's important for us to have cricket being played in Jamaica.
Jamaica's 2011 World 100-meter champion Johan Blake will line up in a stellar field in the men's 100 meters at the Rabat Diamond League meet in Morocco on May 28. Blake, who is the joint second fastest man ever over 100 meters at 9.69 seconds, will face the likes of reigning world champion Fred Curley of the United States and the reigning Olympic champion Marcel Jacobs of Italy. The field will also include 2022 World Championship bronze medalist Trayvon Bromell, reigning Olympic 200-meter champion Andre DeGrasse of Canada, African 100-meter record holder Ferdinand Omariala of Kenya, and reigning World Under-20 champion and record holder Letsil Tebogo of Botswana, and the top South African sprinter Akani Simbini. This will be Blake's first 100-meter run of the season. Bahamian Terence Jones is the world leader at 9.91 seconds. And the reigning World Championship sprint hurdle silver medalist Brittany Anderson has confirmed that a knee injury has ruled her out of action for the season, as first reported by TVJ Sports on Wednesday. Most unfortunate. And that's it for your midday sports report. Shamela, it's over to you.
Thank you, Karen. And that's the midday news. I'm Shamela Pullen. Good afternoon.